In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Canva designs to HubSpot content. If you've created something in Canva that you want to showcase on a HubSpot page, blog post, or landing page, this walkthrough will help you get it embedded cleanly and looking great. Start in Canva with the exact design you want to display. Make sure everything is finalized the way you'd like it to appear on your site, including text, images, and any animations. When you are ready, look to the top right and click Share. From the sharing options, choose More to open the full list. Then select Embed. Canva will generate HTML for you. This is typically an iframe code that allows your design to display directly inside another page. Copy that HTML to your clipboard. If Canva offers size or responsiveness options in this view, choose the one that best fits your layout so it adapts nicely on different screen sizes. Now switch over to HubSpot and open the content where you want the design to appear. Navigate to your design area or editor for that page or post, so you can place the embed exactly where it belongs in your layout. In the right-hand panel, click the plus icon to add a new module. In the search bar, type HTML to find the HTML module. Drag that HTML module into your content wherever you want the Canva design to live above a paragraph within a column, or in a section dedicated to visuals. With the HTML module selected, paste the embed code you copied from Canva into the module's code field. Give it a moment to process. You should see a preview load right inside the editor or in your page preview, showing the live Canva design. If the preview takes a second, that's normal, just wait briefly for it to render. The beauty of using Canva's embed is that it generally stays in sync with your design. So updates you make in Canva can reflect without further copying, keeping your content fresh. If the embedded design looks a bit tight or too spacious, consider adjusting your page's spacing or the container around the HTML module, so the design has room to breathe. Also, keep an eye on how it appears on mobile and desktop to ensure the layout remains clean and readable. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.